Hey guys, what's up? So listen up. If you are looking for a solid microphone for a podcasting, streaming or content creation, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, so you are in the right place because I have got something today that's super budget friendly and packs a serious punch. This NearStream AM10X, a noise cancellation streaming microphone with both XLR and USB support, which I really like. And right now you are hearing the audio is also coming directly from this microphone. So let's not waste the time. Let's get started the unboxing. Let's get to the unboxing. Here's what you get inside the box. First, you will get a user manual to guide you through setup. Super simple, don't worry. The star of the show, the AM10X microphone itself. A boom arm for flexible position that is amazing. XLR and USB cables so you can easily connect it to your computer or audio interface. That's everything you need to get started. No extra accessories needed. Let's set this up and plug it in. Setting up this mic is quick and painless. Whether you are using XLR or USB, it's literally plug and play. For a computer setup, just connect the USB cable and you are good to go. Well, build quality is really premium. It's lightweight, which might throw you off at first. But I mean, it almost feels too light, but it's sturdy enough for what it's meant to do. XLR and USB, this is a big plus for me. Having both XLR and USB outputs means you can use it with a professional audio interface or plug it straight into your computer. Super flexible depending on your needs. Other features, there's also a headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio in real time without any latency. Let me show you the difference between using the AM10X and MacBook's built-in microphone for quality audio. So right now I'm using this AM10X. So the audio is absolutely suitable for podcasting or streaming, or you are having business video call, or you are having classes. So I think this microphone giving you a very good audio result. So now I'm going to use the MacBook's audio quality result. Now the audio comes from the MacBook Pro. So this allows you to compare the difference between the AM10X microphone and the MacBook's built-in microphone. So in those devices, the big difference is in MacBook built microphone does not offer you noise cancellation, but this NearStream AM10X offer you noise cancellation. So when you are talking, it gives you a very good audio result. Now let me demonstrate the quality of this microphone. So far I have observed two modes and they are super easy to control. First, let me show you. I have connected this microphone with a smartphone. It comes with a Type C to Type C cable. And it is very easy to use. You can attach with your tablet, MacBook Pro, phone, or your desktop PC. It is very easy to use. So I have connected and I have started the recording as well. So the voice is coming from directly this microphone. It is very good. So currently you can see the blue light on the microphone is lit, right? And which means that the noise cancellation is turned on. Now I will slowly reduce the volume completely. After that, I will gradually increase the volume again. So when the volume reaches its maximum level, the blue light it starts blinking like this. So this indicates that the volume has reached its peak. Now, if I press the volume button, the light changes to green. This this is a green light, right? And it's still recording. So the light changes to green. The green light indicates the noise cancellation is off. Now the sound you are hearing is without any noise cancellation or voice enhancement. So you may notice that the audio sounds slightly less refined and the background noise becomes more noticeable, right? And let me reduce the volume a bit and slowly increase it again. So as you can see, the lights blinks, right? So if I rotate this, so if I rotate the microphone to a different position, the sound quality changes slightly. For example, I have now rotated it and the sound seems a bit different. When I rotate it back, it's its originally upright position, the audio quality adjusts accordingly. Nice. Now we are testing without noise cancellation. Now we are testing noise cancellation with some. Overall, I think this is a great option if you are looking for a budget friendly microphone that still delivers great performance. The AM10X comes in at a super affordable price, and the sound quality and features make it a solid choice. So, if you are on a budget and need a mic for podcasting, streaming, or video recording, this could be your new best friend. Alright, all in one, I think NearStream has done very good job. And if you want to check it out, I have got an affiliate link down below so you can check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Bye.